bright and early good morning to you. I am coming from a very special place to me, the Great Bear Recreation Area in Fulton, New York. Why is it special to me? This is the place where I did most of my hiking when I started to get an interest to it. It's one of my favorite trails. I used to come here all the time. And way back in 2015, this is the first place I ever filmed video at and put on my YouTube channel. It was a concept video. I don't think it quite worked out, so I'm really excited to be back here in General Phoenix, New York to film another one. I'm not 100% sure what trail I'm going to end up hiking. I usually take the Alec Trail, which is like 2.3 miles, but I think I'm going to go a bit longer today. The sky is fine for now, but there's like a 30% chance of thunderstorm, so I do have some jackets with me, but otherwise, I don't know. Let's see what happens. So I've gotten to upstate New York in the fall, and I can't be happier because the leaves are changing and things just look gorgeous. It's one of the reasons I came here, to get some hiking in while it was still warm enough and the leaves still existed. I'm hoping to get up to Adirondacks. I don't think I will be able to, but we'll see. I remember the first time I was ever here, I misunderstood the directions and thought the first left was this path. But that is a service road, and I got lost for 20 minutes because the literal turnoff is right here, about 10 feet further. And those are my pathfinding skills, ladies and gentlemen. Ain't that kind of cool? Cabin number 2. Well, a lot of this stuff is new. This landscaping, this bear bench, and for that matter, the fresh coat of paint on the building. I wonder if they renovated the inside. The new sign looks like they renovated in 2018. That's probably, yeah. I moved in 2017, so that tracks. Oh, it's caged off. Oh well. I gotta say, I haven't been here in a few years, and they've made all kinds of improvements since I was last here. They've built a bunch of informational signs at cool spots. There's new paths I've noticed. The paths are more manicured. They added some bridges in. I've only done about a third of the trail I was gonna hike so far, but so far it's been really cool. So this is one of the old locks on the Oswego River. Which I believe is what this sign is going to tell us. I mean, this is a lock built in the 1800s. And, funny enough, I was going to comment on how difficult this turn-up is because it's usually just a steep sandbank. Looks like during that renovation, they fixed that and turned it into stairs. So we got this now. Much easier than a sandbank scramble. So I am here. I followed the yellow trail from the entrance so far, down around. Now, I could take the purple trail to the island. What I'm going to do, though, I'm going to take the long trail, and I'm going to try and come back on this ridge. That seems fun, so let's do that. And when I said renovation, I wasn't joking. This is all new, too. Freaking boardwalks everywhere. So the last time I was actually here was March of 2019, but it was so snowy we didn't take any of these trails, and I got norovirus right afterward, so kind of got washed from my memory. It was a miserable time, but these renovations are kind of cool. It makes kind of everything more accessible. I didn't film it back at the start, but off to the left it looks like they built a low-grade, smooth, handicap accessible trail. Well, excuse you, Mr. Tree. Well, ain't that cool? This is a trail I've never been on before. Like, this is beautiful. I mean, there's no leaves to speak of. But like, ain't that a forest? The only thing throwing it off is you can hear a lot of trees creaking, getting ready to break, fall over. But this has been really nice. I'm really glad I did this. Look at that boulder. That is a nice boulder. No hunting ATVs, motorbikes, snowmobiles. Fair. I feel like I'm coming out to a road or something, but I'm honestly not sure. But I am suddenly in kind of a field out of nowhere. So, you know. I know it's just telling you where the parking lot is, but I really like how that sign just sort of shouts, "Out!" Get out! So when I was here in the winter of 2019, mid-March, this was calf deep snow, and all we kept doing was post holing this whole way down. It has been a super nice morning. It's been mid 60s, didn't rain at all, a bit breezy. Sun's still coming up. So this hike's gonna finish up at a little over 4 miles in distance. That's a pretty good day hike. As far as getting in shape goes, it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna have all my steps done for the day. I've already hit my goal of 9,000 before 10 a.m. And there's a bit of a hill here. Whee! There we go. Wrapping up the trail. Hopefully this can come off now. That was, oh God, I'm so glad I'm back in central New York. The leaves are changing. I got here just in time. Look at this. Isn't that just serene?